Pasting an exam is not a productive or ethical approach to achieving success. Instead of trying to cheat or find shortcuts, I encourage you to focus on effective study strategies and preparation techniques that will help you succeed in your exams honestly and fairly. Here are some tips to help you prepare for exams. Understand the material. Start by thoroughly understanding the concepts, theories, and information covered in your course. If you're unclear about something, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for clarification. Organize your notes. Organize your class notes, textbooks, and other study materials in a systematic way. Create summaries, outlines, or flashcards to help you review and memorize key points. Create a study schedule. Plan your study sessions in advance. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic you need to cover. This helps prevent last-minute cramming and reduces stress. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential for retaining information. Solve practice problems, answer sample questions, and take mock exams to simulate the exam environment. Use active learning techniques. Passive reading won't be as effective as engaging with the material actively. Try techniques like summarizing, explaining concepts to someone else, teaching an imaginary class, or creating mind maps. Stay healthy. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep have a positive impact on cognitive function and memory. Avoid excessive caffeine or energy drinks, as they can lead to crashes later. Breaks and rewards. Take regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. Use these breaks as rewards for completing a certain amount of focused studying. Group study. Studying with classmates can offer different perspectives and help clarify concepts. However, make sure the group remains focused and doesn't devolve into socializing. Past papers. If available, work through past exam papers. This gives you a sense of the types of questions that might appear and helps you practice time management. Time management. Practice time management while answering questions. Allocate a specific amount of time for each question based on the marks it carries. If you get stuck, move on and come back later if you have time. Stay calm. On exam day, stay calm and confident. Deep breathing or mindfulness techniques can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. Read instructions carefully. Before starting the exam, read all instructions carefully. Make sure you understand how the exam is structured and how answers should be presented. Review beforehand. In the days leading up to the exam, review your notes and summaries. Don't try to cram all the information at the last minute. Remember, the goal of exams is to assess your understanding of the subject matter and your ability to apply what you've learned. Honesty and integrity in your approach to studying and taking exams are essential for personal growth and long-term success. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.